Hi everyone! こんにちは! Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. I'm YUCa, and here are my helpers, Mario and Luigi. They are toy poodles. It's a sudden question, but do you like soups? How often do you drink it? I like soups a lot. Today I'd like to introduce the best 5 popular Japanese soups. Okay, so here's the ranking. Number 5, the minestrone. Obviously, it's not Japanese soups, but the minestrone is really popular here in Japan. As evidence, if you go to the Japanese supermarket, you can check the minestrone packet, and I even see the commercials on TVs. Number 4, corn soup. And you can also buy the corn soup hot at the vending machine. Oh, I still remember the taste of the corn soup that I had for the first time. It was when I was a child, let's say around elementary school student, and my family and I went skiing together. Obviously, it was my first time to do skiing. It was so freezingly cold and I was so starving. And my parents bought me the corn soup from the vending machine. So that was my personal story. And there's a recipe on this channel, and I introduced the corn soup with using soy milk. So it's a little bit lighter compared to the pre-made one. So I want you to try. Then number 3, a potage. And in Japan, soups that are thickened, it's called potage. I personally make potage when I have a leftover veggies. I put everything in a mixer or blender and make a potage. Number 2, it's a tonjiru. It's a pork miso soup. Tonjiru is a Japanese soup made by simmering pork and vegetables and seasoned with miso. Same as corn soup, I have a memory for this tonjiru soup. For more detail, please check my recipe video. Then number 1, yes, it's a miso soup. Miso soup is the essential soups in Japanese cuisine. And I made a miso soup today with using very traditional ingredients: tofu, wakame, Japanese spring onion, and fried tofu. If you're interested in this recipe, please check my recipe video. So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. This is a really traditional miso soup at my home, and it has so much umami in here. For dashi, I normally use kelp and bonito flakes. Or if you prefer not using fish, I have a veggie version dashi soup stock recipe, so please check it out. When I make Japanese style breakfast, sometimes I only make miso soup with lots of veggies and onigiri. That's enough. What is your favorite ingredients to put in a miso soup? Please let me know. ごちそうさまでした。How was this best 5 Japanese soups ranking? And if you want to know more about Japanese food and Japanese culture and family lifestyle, please join my mailing list. To sign up, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. If you access the website, the pop-up screen comes up. So please type your email address and name and click. That's it. And if you watched my video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduce easy, simple, and yummy Japanese recipes, including baby food, kids meals, and pregnancy food and desserts as well. So please don't forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching everyone. See you next time. Bye bye!